Think you explore every corner of VR? Think again. These are 5 hidden gem VR games you probably missed, but absolutely need to play. Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vibrant, and today we're going to be diving into 5 incredible VR games that deserve way more attention than they've been getting, and you probably missed it. Are you ready for your next VR obsession? Let's get started. Alright, the first one we're going to talk about is V-Rider. V-Rider has pushed the boundaries of what's possible on the Meta Quest, bringing realistic and insane fun racing game to VR. For real. They got an online multiplayer with global leaderboards, 12 licensed circuits, plus 23 official riders from the WSBK. 5 official superbikes like a Ducati. This thing got everything. Check it out if you can. The second one we're going to check out is The Human Within. Check out cyber engineer Nyla and her sister Lynn. They developed a way to harness the immense processing power of the human brain to create the ultimate supercomputer. This game is crazy with the storyline, a video game playback, and your choices and consequence matters. At key moments of this story, you're gonna have to choose which way the story takes with 5 different endings. It's crazy. Check it out. Alright, third on the list is Shattered. Prepare to lose your mind in Shattered. This groundbreaking MR escape room experience where reality is just a puzzle waiting to be unraveled. Trapped in the mystery of a mental facility. Now, if you don't like horror, this might shake you up a little bit. Your perception cannot be trusted. To escape, you must turn your physical space into a bunch of escape rooms, objects across virtual and mixed reality to solve complex problems. If you can do it, you can escape. Shattered. Next up, need no introduction. Everybody was waiting for this game to come out. Now that it's out, I don't hear a lot about it. Team up and fight the world against the most lethal enemies imaginable. Starship Troopers Continuum. They got a whole single campaign, take on the bugs by yourself or 2 to 3 players online squad. They got 20 plus weapons. This game is crazy. Last but not least is Into the Black. You want to fight more bugs? Into the Black is a first-person action adventure that takes you into the depths of the mystery alien planet. Across the endless darkness, mine value resources and fight off alien beasts as you try to repair your ship and escape. 20 plus levels. This game is crazy. You gotta check it out. Into the Black. Yeah, so those was 5 games that need way more attention. Those games are fire on the Quest. Some of those games push the limits like V-Rider. Don't understand how they even got that working on the Quest, but these games are really good and they deserve more play. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.